Living with depression. You wake up every day feeling tired even after getting enough sleep. Parang may mabigat na pakiramdam na dala-dala mo pero hindi mo ito maipaliwanag ng maayos. To other people, you may seem okay because you still smile, laugh, and do your daily tasks. But deep inside, you're struggling with emotions that are difficult to understand. There are times when you lose interest in things you once enjoy. Yung mga hobbies at activities na dati mong kinakagiliwan ay parang wala ng excitement. Sometimes you prefer to be alone because you feel no one will truly understand what you are going through. It is more than sadness. It affects your thoughts, feelings, and motivation every day. Depression can make you doubt yourself and your abilities. Minsan iniisip mo na hindi ka sapat o wala kang nagagawang tama kahit ginagawa mo naman ang best mo. This thought can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming and exhausting. However, as time goes by, you begin to realize that seeking help is not a sign of weaknesses. By taking to trusted friends, family members, teachers, or mental health professionals, you learn that you do not have to carry your burdens alone. You start taking small steps toward healing and understanding yourself better. Slowly, you learn to be kinder to yourself. Tutuhan mong tanggapin na ang pagaling ay hindi minamadali at okay lang na dahan-dahan ang pag-usad. Depression may be part of your journey, but it is that mean it's define who you are. Each day is an opportunity to keep moving forward. Hold on to hope and believe that better days are possible. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito at umabot ka hanggang dulo, please like, share, and subscribe na rin para updated ka sa mga ganitong klaseng content. Maraming salamat sa suporta!